Importing text files from PubMed. If you need to import large amounts of data from PubMed, saving your data as a text file and importing the text file allows you to import all the data at once and to filter out duplicates during the import, even with thousands of records. Perform your search in PubMed. Mark the records you want to save, or leave them all unmarked if you wish to save all the records. From the Send To drop-down, select the File option. Under Format, choose the Medline option. Click Create File. If you see a window asking if you want to save the file or open it, save the file. Make a note of where your browser saved the file. EndNote will not know where the file was saved. In EndNote, select Import from the File menu. Then File. Click the Choose button. Navigate to where you saved the file and select the PubMed result.txt file to open. Select Other Filters from the drop-down Import option list. Note that after a filter has been used once, it will appear in the Favorites list in the future. Select the PubMed NLM filter, then click the Choose button. If you think you might import duplicates of some of the references in your library, choose Discard Duplicates from the Duplicates drop-down list. Click the Import button. The references will be imported into EndNote. Although you will see a message that PDFs are being indexed, no PDFs will be imported. However, EndNote can look for PDFs that match the records later using the Find Full Text feature. You can set if Find Full Text will run automatically after importing a text file in the preferences. This option only applies when importing text files. It does not work with direct export or online search. The records will appear in the Imported References group.